Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class of a 3rd standard ICC. Today's class we are going to do the revision for the October monthly test. So before that, I'll inform that portion we have a 3rd unit subtraction. And the pattern is we have a fill in the blanks 10 marks, do as directed 2 mark question 10, 20 marks, and solve. The Roman letter is solve, that is word problem. One word problem you are going to attend, that is 5 marks. Totally you are going to write the exams for 35 marks. The first thing we are going to do with the 1 mark revision. What are all the possible questions in this unit? I'll explain that. Listen carefully, children. Children, the 1 mark revision is based upon the properties of a subtraction. Before that, you just recall the properties of a subtraction. Using that only we are going to do the 1 mark questions here. The first thing is whenever we are subtracting the same number with the same, we are going to get the 0 is the answer. For example, first sum 20 minus 20, 0. 15 minus 15, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. This is the first property. Coming to the fourth question, 12 minus 0, we have a 12. So when we are subtracting 0 with any number, 0 has no value. So when we are subtracting the 12 with the 0, we are going to get the 12 as the answer. The same number is going to be the answer for us. Okay, next fifth one is 0 minus 0. 0 has no values, we know already. So when we are subtracting 0 minus 0, it is also 0. The next property, when we are subtracting 1 with any number, we are going to get the predecessor of this number. Sixth question, 60 minus 1 is equal to 59. When we subtract number with the 1, we are going to get a before number. 59 after only 60, no? So, before number predecessor is going to be the answer. Seventh question also, 28 minus 1 will get 27. Eighth question, 15 minus 1, 14. Coming to the ninth question, 50 minus 10 is a 0 number. So, 0 number is nothing but last number or the last digits may be 0. 50 minus 10. So, you can subtract 0 minus 0 in the ones place, 0. 10th place we have 5 minus 1, it is 4. So, 50 minus 10, it is 40. 10th question, 17 minus 4 equal to, when we are subtracting 4 with a number, you have to keep it 17 in your mind, take 4 finger before 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. So, 13 is the answer. For the 11th question, 29 minus 28. So listen carefully. We know that whenever we are subtracting number with the 1, we are going to get the predecessor. Similarly, this is also one more property whenever we are subtracting the next number. So 2 minus 1, 1. The next number, the previous number when we are subtracting, we'll get 1 will be the answer. 29 minus 28, it is 1. 32 minus 31, it is 1. 13th question, 42 minus 20. This is simple subtraction. Directly you can do it horizontal, otherwise write it in the rough column and do the subtraction. 42 minus 20, it is 22. Next 14th question, 70 minus 10, 0 number. So 70 minus 10, 7 minus 1 alone you can do it, it is 6. So 60 will be the answer. Next 15th question, this is also 0 number. 300 minus 100. So 1's place, 10's place you can put a 0. 3 minus 1, it is 2. So 200 is the answer. So up to 15th questions, we have a properties of a subtraction. I just recall once again, whenever we are subtracting same number, we are going to get the 0 is the answer. Whenever we are subtracting 1 with the number, we are going to get the predecessor of the number. When we are subtracting 0 with any number, same number going to be the answer. If it is next number, okay, predecessor, when we are subtracting, 1 will be the answer. 0 numbers there means you have to subtract the number alone. You can write the zeros as it is. That's it, children. 1 marks revision. Possible questions we revised, and we'll go to the next section. The next Roman letter is do as directed. 2 mark questions. We have a 10 question going to be attended in this unit. So listen carefully, children. So what are all the possible way of subtraction? I'll explain to you. The first sum is 148 minus 77. Write the number in the place value chart. Arrange the number first. Then start with the subtraction from ones place number onwards. Here, ones place we have 8 minus 7. It is 1. Next, 10th place number 4 minus 7. It is impossible. Get the borrow from the 100th place number. Here we have 1. So from that 1 we took it off and it is become 0 in the 100th place. Now 10th place is become 14. So 14 minus 7. 14 in your mind, take 7 finger. So before 14 you can say 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 7 will be the answer. So 148 minus 77 will get the answer 71. So similarly you can do the sums. One more sum as an example for you. 556 minus 282. So see the number, write the number in the according place value. 556 minus 282. Start with the subtraction from ones place number onwards. 6 minus 2, it is 4. 5 minus 8, it is impossible. Get the borrow from 100th place number. 100th place we have 5. From that 5 we took 1 and it is become 4. Now in the 10th place we have 15. 15 minus 8. So 15 in your mind, take 8 fingers, say the before counting. So we'll get the answer of 7. So 15 minus 8, it is 7. Next one is 4 minus 2. It is 2. So when we subtract 556 minus 282, we'll get the answer 274. Third sum, 772 minus 456. Write the number ones, tens, 100 place value 772 minus 456. Start with the subtraction from ones place number. 2 minus 6 is impossible. Get the borrow from 10th place number. So there we have 7 and 7 become 6 now and 2 become 12. 12 minus 6, it is 6. 6 minus 5, it is 1. 7 minus 4, it is 3. So when we subtract 772 minus 456, we'll get the answer 316. Fourth question is 800 minus 521. So 800 has a ones in the 10th place number 0. So ones place number we have to borrow from 10th place number also 0. So go to the 100th place number. So 800 and minus 521 when we are subtracting. So 100th place 8 we have, 8 becomes 7 now, and coming to the 10th place we are getting borrow from for the 10th place, it has become 10. From that 10 only we are going to give 1 to the ones place number. So the 10th place number become 9 and the ones place number become a 10 now. So now you do the subtraction. 10 minus 1, it is 9. 9 minus 2, in the 10th place we have a 7. 100th place we have a 7 minus 5, 2. 4 sums I explained to you and 4 sums I gave as a homework to you. Children, you have to copy in the CW whatever sums I did it here, and you are going to do the homework sums in the CW. Then only it will be practice for you. You can do it correctly in your exams also. Coming to the 9th question, the model of a subtraction, we have estimate the difference. So we know the estimation from the first unit. We are reading this one, estimation. Second unit also we read about estimation and addition. Now in the subtraction unit we have estimate the difference. So first thing is going to do with the estimation, that is round of number. After that we are going to do the subtraction. So 79 is round of nearest to 80. 25 is round of nearest to 30. Now you do the subtraction. We know the actual subtraction. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 54 is the actual difference. After rounding off, 80 minus 30, we have 50. So estimated difference is 50. Actual difference is 54. So one more sum is given for you, 88 minus 36. Children, you have to try it similarly what I did here. And the next model sum in this unit is simplify. So we have addition and subtraction together in a sum. So we need to do it by step. The first step you need to do the addition. So wherever the number be, it may be the second place or the third place. Here the 10th sum is 214 minus 318 plus 144. The first step you need to do the addition of 214 plus 144. Do the addition from ones place number. 8 plus 4 plus 4 8, 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 1 3. Next second step, 358 is the answer. In the first step you have to write it above and subtract the 318. So the answer is 40. So answer 40 will be the answer. See children, first step need to do the addition. Second step need to do the subtraction. Similarly, 2 more sums I given for you. You have to do step by step sums. That's it. 2 more questions will be over now. For example sums and all I given, you have to write it, and the homework sums I also given here. You have to do it. Then only you will be understand thorough with the sums. The last Roman letter in this question paper pattern is solve the word problems. So in exercise 3.5 in page number 47, exercise 3.6 in page number 48 and 9, we have word problems. So we already revised that one, and you have to go through the CW, refer the note, and one more link also I'll given to you for this. So you have to go through that. Thank you children. I think you hope all are doing good in this exam. Good luck. Thank you.